Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Do you want to reset your device but forgot your passcode? Have you tried your lock screen passcode so many times only to be stuck with the dreaded iPhone unavailable notification? Well, don't worry, as in this review we'll show you these 3 really easy ways how to reset your iPhone unavailable and get it working again. Whether you've forgotten your passcode or tried it too many times, we've got you a way to help to regain access to your device. Well, let's get started. In case if your iPhone device is running iOS 15.2 or later and is connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network, you can enter your passcode repeatedly until the Erase iPhone option appears on the iPhone unavailable screen. Simply tap on it, enter your Apple ID password, and your iPhone will be reset to factory settings. However, please remember that this will erase all the data right on your device. For the second tip, let's imagine a situation when your iPhone may not always be connected to the network or you may not have an Apple ID or password. In that case, you won't see the Wipe iPhone button or the button may stop responding to your touch. In that kind of scenario, you might consider using AnyUnlock application to reset your iPhone with iPhone unavailable notification. AnyUnlock is a powerful iPhone unlocker that can be used to unlock most of the passcodes such as Apple ID, MD Unlock, Activation Lock, Screen Time Passcode, and many others right on your device. It really takes only 3 steps and works perfectly up to the latest iOS 18 version. And now let's proceed with AnyUnlock application solution. First and foremost, free download AnyUnlock application right from our official website via the link in the description. Then in the pop-up dialog window, select Unlock Screen Passcode option. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB or Type-C cable, and when the utility recognizes our smartphone, proceed with Start Now button. After downloading the firmware package is completed, click on Unlock Now button. Afterwards, AnyUnlock will start unlocking and clear the iPhone unavailable prompt automatically. Then please wait for a few minutes till the unlocking process will be done, and now your iPhone will restart and the unavailable issue will be resolved completely. Well, it's just so simple as that. Last but not least, you can also reset your device remotely via default Apple services or namely iCloud. Simply go to iCloud.com official website on your another device or computer and then sign in with your Apple ID preferences, and then in the pop-up web interface select Find iPhone option. From the list of the devices, select an available iPhone and click or tap on Erase this iPhone button. This action will erase all content and settings so you can set up your iPhone as the new one, and iPhone unavailable screen will be removed as well. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials, give this review a thumbs up and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace.